We just surpassed 1 year without any safety incidents. And that's something that's hard to accomplish, you know? And on top of that, it doesn't happen unless everybody in this company is involved in safety. And so the reason that I wanted to say thank you, and the reason we're having lunch today, is because for myself, for my staff, I want to thank every one of you for working safe for the last year. It's something you can't do alone. It has to be done together, and everybody needs to watch out for each other. So we really appreciate that.